was just asking a question, man.
Hey, Chris, sorry I brought it up.
Well, the question, is there a pure Filipino who'd been dropped in the NBA? That question should be asked to the NBA and to the agents, not to the Filipinos. But how about the half American, the Phil American? Even though they are not pure, they are still Filipino. But the question is there a pure Filipino? The right term is homegrown Filipino, not pure Filipino. Because almost of the Filipinos have a foreign race. Oh my God, nosebleed.